How to remove grid lines in Google Sheet. Go to the View menu in the top toolbar. Click on the Show option and here you see the grid line option. If the grid lines are currently visible, means checked, clicking the grid lines will remove them. If they are already hidden, means unchecked, the clicking the grid line will show them. Here is already checked. It means when I click on this grid lines option, the all grid lines will remove. I just click on it. That's it. Here you see all grid lines will remove. So removing grid lines can make your spreadsheet look cleaner and more polished, especially when presenting or printing your data. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.